Bullish Vechain cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 9 cents and 18 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept VET could reach 7 cents by 2025. Bearish Vechain market cost expectation for 2023 is 1 cent. Vechain presentation. Since its somewhat modest starting points in 2015, the Vechain network has advanced and is rapidly drawing in worldwide consideration. Right now, in excess of 30 organizations inside the Fortune 500 run live arrangements on Vechain, including BMW, Deloitte, PwC, Walmart, LVMH, and Renault. This Vechain cost expectation guide will update you on all that you really want to be familiar with Vechain. Continue to peruse to figure out what Vechain is, from its elements to specialized investigation, verifiable information, value expectations, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. What is Vechain? Vechain is a self-created blockchain stage work to support production network the executives and smooth out business processes. The stage was established in 2015 by Bright Lu, a previous CIO of Louis Vuitton in China. In its initial days, the VET token worked exclusively as a feature of the Ethereum blockchain. The organizers, notwithstanding, had a few loftier objectives as a top priority. In 2018, Vechain completely rebranded itself and changed onto its own public blockchain, switching its VEN tokens over completely to VET as well as adding the Vechain gas token VTHO. It has since developed into a venture-centered, multi-coin IoT and production network the board environment and has effectively settled a significant client base. With the assistance of disseminated record innovation, the stage can sort out and smooth out data stream for complex stock chains. It utilizes two essential tokens, Vechain Thor Energy and Vechain Token, for conveying esteem across the framework. As per Vechain's white paper, the two-token framework was organized to have a solid model for decentralized application designers and guarantee compelling administration. The Vechain white paper frames the stage's fundamental point, which is to make information straightforward and significant. It additionally plans to be an IoT go-between and at the front of introductory coin contributions made utilizing Vechain. Vechain is presently worth 2 cents USD. VET has moved 0.03% as of now with an exchanging volume of $65,046,155. Vechain is presently positioned 38 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $1,518,413,641 USD. Our value expectations are planned on specialized investigation, as it were. We utilize a few specialized markers, including MACD, Fibonacci retracement, RSI, moving midpoints, and trend lines. Our conjectures utilize constant Vechain market information, permitting us to refresh our site with dynamic cost expectations. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous Vechain market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Vechain Value Forecast 2023. Vechain, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The VET cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to 3 cents. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 2 cents in cost is very aggressive, however it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headway. VET is supposed to have a base worth of 2 cents. Vechain Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. Vechain VET Cost Forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of VET will before long outperform 5 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the VET's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, VET will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 4 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 4 cents. Vechain Value Forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 7 cents and VET might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. VET is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 6 cents and a low of 6 cents in 2025. Vechain Value Expectation 2026. Assuming that Vechain effectively helps market opinion among digital currency lovers, the VET coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, VET will be green in 2026. The VET is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 9 cents, with a base cost of 8 cents and a typical cost of 8 cents. Vechain Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the VET cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 11 cents by 2027. with a base cost of 10 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, VET has a most extreme value worth of 11 cents. Vechain Value Expectation 2028 because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 13 cents. On the off chance that VET figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 13 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help that needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 12 cents. Vechain Value Expectation 2029 while VET is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to Rush Association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 14 cents and a yearly cost close above 15 cents in 2029. Vechain Value Forecast 2030 by 2030. Vechain will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 16 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 18 cents, averaging out at 17 cents. Vechain Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future price tags with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme VET cost in 2031 is projected to be 20 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 19 cents. Decision Vechain has had a huge effect with regards to development in the worldwide economy in light of the mix of DLT with an IoT energizer. Examiners all over the planet have considered Vechain's fruitful mix of blockchain advancements with actual merchandise, with Chinese organizations being a portion of the first to exploit this possibly progressive innovation, with industry monsters like Walmart China, BMW Gathering, and PwC all utilizing Vechain's capacities with predictable outcomes. This blockchain model could almost certainly go worldwide very soon. VET is additionally expected to increment in esteem in accordance with the expanded allure and utilization of Vechain's organization, and financial backers anticipate that capital inflows into Vechain through associations will additionally drive up the cash's worth. What is the Vechain cost today? Today, Vechain is exchanging at 2 cents with a complete market capitalization of $1,518,413,641. Is Vechain a wise venture? Vechain ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is insightful to say that VET is a decent decision of venture. How high might Vechain at any point go? The typical cost of Vechain might conceivably reach 2 cents this year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that Vechain might outperform 13 cents. What amount will Vechain be worth in 5 years? In light of the rising fame of cryptographic money and Vechain, a drawn-out interest in VET could see the value ascend to 13 cents inside the following 5 years. What amount will Vechain be worth in 10 years? On the off chance that you put resources into Vechain today,